Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time seeing this beautiful face, please consider subscribing to the channel down below. It's absolutely free, you don't pay a single cent. Doing a Shein Wig install / Shein Wig review video. I'm super duper excited. So I ordered this hair on the 1st and it got delivered on the 9th. Yes, so delivery was like 8 days, which was really fast. Here was 999 rand. Customs I paid 180, which is really now like getting expensive. Before, if you ordered things for like 900, 1,000, customs were like maybe 90 rand, but now it's bad. So just know if you're gonna order hair or anything really from Shein, the customs are now like up there. So I paid customs of 180 and everything went smooth. My package came as good as it could have been. So let's get to the unboxing of the hair. As we all know, Shein wigs come in this packaging, which is really cute. I love this package. So this is a 20-inch 180 density. I don't know what 180 density means, but yeah, that's what it says. 20-inch. When you open inside, it just comes in a plastic. There's two wig caps. And then it's just how to take care of the hair and installation as well. And I don't know, this is for joining their wig club. And this is just like a pamphlet. So that's everything really in the box. So what I did is I used a code wigs for you, so you can use it when you buy a wig. I think, yeah, when you buy a wig you can use that code and you get free goodies. So you get an option, I think there's 4 options, but what I got was a lace tint mousse, comb, 2 wig bands, then edge brush, then bold hold glue, and remover, lace remover, the glue remover. Cute. And lastly we get our wax stick. So you have to use the code wigs for you. I'll put it on the screen and also in the description if you want to get free goodies from Shein. Then the star of the show. Guys, I'm so excited. But this is the hair. Love this hair. This is how it looks. I think it's pre-plucked, but if you know how to pluck you can do more, but if you don't really, like me, this can work. So this is how it looks. It's quite long. I think I will take a video on the side to show you guys how long it is. This is how long it is. And inside, I love that it has a tag. It has a tag. Then inside, this is how the lace looks like from the inside. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this is how the lace looks like from the inside. Period. Stunning. I love that it has an adjusting bands, because guys, I have a big head. Truth be told, I have a big head, so I always find it difficult to get a wig that fits like perfectly, and this one just makes it easier for me. I can adjust the band and it will fit me very nicely. Then you can also adjust with these to make it tighter, as you can see, and you can also hook it on your hair for extra hold, you know, so that like the hair is like on your head. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this wig, you guys. Love the quality. It's quite soft. It has a bit of a smell, but I think if I just wash it, it will be good. Love how soft it is. But I just feel like one thing, I just feel like it's a bit it's not full. Yes, it looks nice. Obviously it's gonna be like a bone straight hair, but I feel like if it was a bit full. But besides that, I love the hair. So we're gonna do the installation. Stay tuned for the installation, and please let me know, you guys, what you think down below, if you would order from Shein, and what you guys think about the hair. Let me just wear the hair, then we can get going. Love it.
Leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, man. Sure. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it, not, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide.